Hello YouTube, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In our channel you will find different videos regarding FRP on different devices. In this video I will show you how to remove Google Lock from all Samsung A series that are running on Android 16 or they support Android 16. So in this article I'm finding the models supported. So if you scroll down to the A series, we have A73, A56, 55, 54, and it goes up to A06. So remember, if they are not running on Android 16, you can upgrade them. Okay, so first thing, you need to download Microsoft Visual C++ of the 2020, and you need to install it because it is needed for the software of FRP to run. So just click on download, choose your version. In my case it is 64-bit, and after that click on the file. Okay, agree to the terms and then hit install. It will install quickly, it is a small file. Okay, so click on finish, everything installation completed. The next thing, we're gonna download the tool. The tool is called TFM Tool Pro. Click on Google, type TFM Tool Pro and open the first result. We will have the download option on the top right corner. Tap on the download and gonna select TFM Multi-Tool. So click on this one and I'm gonna choose the latest version to download, which is this one. Tap on download and the download will start right away. Okay, so it will take a couple of seconds depending on the internet speed, and once it is downloaded you need to open and you need to put it somewhere where you can open it easily. Like I'm gonna put it on my desktop, it is easy for me to reach this tool. Okay, great, so this is the one. But remember that this is a paid tool, so after you download it you will need the credential to log in and you will need a valid subscription for 1 year. But if you don't want to purchase it, because if you have only 1 or 2 devices, you can just rent this tool for like 2 hours from this website. It is called elviral.company.site. It has several tools over here, including TFM tool for 2 hours. Okay, so here it is. And after that, after purchasing, you can reach them on WhatsApp or on email address. So you have both numbers over here and the email address also. Okay, let's continue to our video now. I have plugged in A25, which is currently running on Android 16. As you see, it is bit 8. And we're gonna proceed with the FRP process. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open TFM tool. I'm just search it on the start and then click on TFM tool. It will take a few seconds to run depending on the computer speed. If it is a slow computer, it will take a bit longer. The next thing, you're gonna log in with your credentials. I'm gonna use my one and you can use yours. And this is the main screen of the TFM tool. On the left, you can click on choose your brand and we're gonna select Samsung on the first option over here. Okay, so this is the first option. We're gonna select Samsung. Okay, the second one will be model number. It will be Android 16 FRP, and on Samsung configuration, we're gonna select MTP mode. Go on operations and then click on reset FRP Android 16. Okay, so as you see on the right side of the software, what the software is doing, it is first reading the info. It is A256U. This is a model, but it will work on every Android 16 devices. After waiting it will send some exploit to the device. Waiting for the device, it will restart the system service. Again, it will say waiting for the ADB device. And at the bottom, in the end, you should see the reset FRP process. So unlocking FRP, okay. And at the bottom, again, on the end, you should see a factory reset. So the software will try to reset your device. Factory resetting. Okay, everything is completed. So remember guys, this works only on Android 16, and if you don't have Android 16, you can upgrade it from Android 14, 15. You can go up to Android 16 and run the software. Thanks for watching.